I'm Detective Superintendent Helen Bennett. I work for Merseyside Police and I'm the Digital Futures Lead for the force. I think with the ever-growing volume of digital evidence that's available, we were struggling to cope with the management of it and it being readily accessible for officers. Also very cumbersome processes that we have in place, manual processes, discs, the going and retrieving of it physically. So it was becoming just really quite impossible to keep on top of that and to be efficient in our management of digital evidence, so we were seeking solutions. Proud to say that we were the first force in the UK to adopt NICE Investigate, and that was back in 2018, so we've had it in force a good 4 years now. So we've had an ongoing project seeking to develop the amount of data sources that we can bring into NICE Investigate. So most recently we're seeking to bring in drone footage directly into NICE Investigate, as we've got a newly developed drone team and there's great efficiencies and effectiveness in doing so. And we've also recently digitised our Viper and identification process, so that now is a data source that goes directly into NICE Investigate, generating efficiencies. Plans for the future, really we are looking to bring on board any data source that's possible that's going to be evidential material, so we're continually seeking to develop that area. Certainly with serious incidents, it's been absolutely fantastic, and that's managed through our press office. They will automatically put that appeal out into the media when there's an investigation, and obviously we have to have staff ready to review that material quick time, so there is a little bit of a resource and implication. But we are seeking to make that process more sophisticated really around appeals, particularly from a suspicious activity perspective, looking around nighttime economy, sexual predator behaviour, violence and disorder. So we are working currently to look at how we can make that appeal process a little bit more sophisticated and to benefit us more widely, if you like. It's been really quite incredible, the positive benefits that we've seen, and down to time saving, officers travelling to collect CCTV, to go and see a member of the public, to collect doorbell footage or whatever that might be. So this has been a really great time saving for us, because very often the officers got to travel, they've got to spend time there, they've got to download and then they've got to come back, and then there's the upload once they get back to the station or wherever they are. So the time saving in offices has been astronomical, but also the benefit of having all of the digital evidence in one case on one system. That's time saving in itself, that the officer isn't having to access different systems. We're reducing the risk around missing evidence because we haven't accessed the relevant system. It's all there in one place for the officer in charge to deal with. Feedback's been overwhelmingly positive. We've had, people have just felt really that it's really progressive to have all of digital evidence from all multimedia evidence in one place. So the feedback has been really great, and I think, certainly from an investigative point of view, it's been a godsend. Challenges for us personally, and probably for most of our NICE colleagues across the UK, probably relates to internal development, because I think the system itself, there's so much capacity and capability, and we're very close partners with NICE, so we know that if we have an issue that they would seek to develop a solution within the system. It's having internal staff to be able to keep on top of that development. I think that's the biggest challenge for us going forward.